Now proving the last formula for A and B, that is the fourth one. Now here we are having again cos A minus B. Now the formula is cos A cos B plus sin A sin B, and for cos A plus B, cos A cos B, negative of sin A sin B. Now using these formulas, again right hand side, now using the formula cos A cos B sin A sin B in one bracket, then cos A cos B opening the brackets, changing the sign, negative of cos A cos B and positive of sin A sin B. Okay. Now these two are the same terms but opposite in sign. Okay. So we are left with twice of sin A sin B. This is equal to left hand side. Left hand side is equal to right hand side. Hence twice of sin A sin B is equal to cos A minus B negative cos A plus B.